How to make hologram text in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you should follow some steps for that. So creating a hologram text effect on the Adobe Premiere Pro involves using several effects and adjustments. You must need to follow some steps for that. So the guide is, firstly you need to create a new project and a sequence. Open your Adobe Premiere Pro and then create a new project and import your background photos and you have one. Now add the text. After adding the text, apply the hologram effect. With the text layer selected, go to the effects panel and then you can apply it. After that, apply the glow effect. Now apply the color effect by following these steps. You can also apply the wave wrap effect by searching for the wave wrap effect and adjust the wave type. Now adjust the wave height and set the direction and adjust the wave speed as well. Now add the opacity and also add the gradient effect. After doing this, the final adjustment that you should do is fine-tune all the effects to get the desired look. Adjust the colors, blur, wave, wrap, and flicker intensity to match the hologram style you want. Now, render and export. Once you are satisfied with the effect, render your sequence by pressing the enter. Now export your video by going to the file, export media, and selecting your desired export settings. By following these steps, you can create a convincing hologram text effect in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.